one of our students actually blew up their Instagram account just using hashtags. In this video, I show you exactly a step-by-step approach to actually blow up your Instagram account using hashtag in 2019. What is up, online CEOs? My name is Josue Pena, and today we're talking all about hashtags, how to use them, why to use them, and how you can effectively utilize hashtags in 2019 to blow up your Instagram page like that. But first, before we do that, let's kill a myth that's happening right now, which is that people think that hashtags do not work at all and that hashtags are a thing of the past. Hashtags on Instagram are still relevant to this day. They are just like keywords on Google. It tells Instagram what your content's about in order for Instagram to actually show that content to the right people, which means that you need to be utilizing hashtags that are right for you, your content, and your niche, not just random stupid hashtags that are all over the place. So for example, if you're posting pictures about cars, you should not be utilizing hashtags that say hashtag camera DSLR, because your niche is not cameras. You're not a photographer. You have a car page. If you're posting pictures about your pets or your cats, you have a pet page or an e-com store about pets, you should not be posting hashtag cars on that page. It is not relevant. It is not meaningful. It will not serve any purpose whatsoever. So now the question becomes, what hashtags should I utilize if I cannot just pick one big random hashtag that's just out there? And this is the process that we follow in order to research the hashtags and determine which are the best ones for you. What I first start doing is just type in one super general keyword in your niche. For example, let's say you're in the fitness industry or in makeup. You type in hashtag makeup and a ton of other hashtags will pop up. You will start seeing that there are trends when it comes to makeup. So maybe like makeup girls or makeup with beauty or makeup period. And what you're gonna do is document in a spreadsheet all those different hashtags and categorize the number of posts, the average likes and comments, the top 9 or the top post has on that hashtag in order to determine if you're able to rank in there later. So for example, if on average a hashtag has 1,000 likes per picture on the top post, but you're only able to get 500, that hashtag is probably not the best one for you. You should probably search hashtags that you can rank in almost all the time, because you don't want to pick a battle that you cannot win. You don't want to be Loki versus the Hulk.
And I will not be bullied by that.
You're going to get your ass whooped to just pick a hashtag or a battle that you know you can win. But there needs to be a balance, because you always want to keep pushing forward. So this is the strategy that I like to call the step, stir, ladder effect, which means that you are going to have a combination of different hashtags that you always can rank in, that you maybe can rank in, that you can rank in, that you like, no, never can rank in. Because if you're able to rank in the first one, then you're probably going to rank in the second. And then if you're ranking there, you're probably going to rank in the other one. And then there, then you're going to probably in the other one. And when you combine them all, then it gives you a huge boost and power to actually go out there and rank a lot. You have a total of 30 hashtags per post. And I know you heard out there that you cannot utilize all of them because you will not rank, that Instagram is going to ban you, and blah, 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 blah. But reality is that I have not seen a clear-cut data and indication that that is true. Instagram tells you you can utilize all 30, and I've tested utilizing 30, 15, 20, 7, 5, 10, all over the place. And while yes, in some cases, on some accounts, I've seen a decrease in reach when it comes to utilizing 30 hashtags versus 10, on others, I have not seen any difference whatsoever versus utilizing 5 or 7 versus 30. So my suggestion to you is just test it out and see what works for you and your account. Now the question becomes, what hashtags exactly should I utilize for my own content? What is exactly the system and step-by-step approach that I take when it comes to this? So for the sake of this example, let's say you have 15 to 20 hashtags. And here we're gonna divide it into 4 different categories. 1, 5 to 7 hashtags that are extremely popular hashtags. These are hashtags that are maybe 500,000, 700,000 and above. And these are the amount of posts or users that are using that hashtag in that moment. Then from there, I utilize 5 to 7 hashtags that are moderately, somewhat popular, because you don't want to utilize way too many hashtags that are super crazy niche specific, because then nobody's going to find you. So in this case, we have a few hashtags that rank, anywhere from 100,000 users all the way to 500,000 users. Then from there, the next step in the ladder is about 3 to 5 niche-specific hashtags. These are hashtags that are super small, super niche down, and for that specific post in particular. So in that case, anywhere from 100,000 to 10,000 users. So in that case, anywhere from 100,000 users to 50,000, maybe 10,000. That's a little bit too little, in my opinion. But 50 to 100,000 users, a few hashtags here and there will be great. That will tell Instagram what that post is specifically in order to recommend it to more people who might be interested in that. And then from the last few hashtags are branded hashtags that are just for your brand in particular. These are hashtags that people are gonna get used to seeing over and over again on your post so that they can use it on their post as well when they become loyal to your brand. This increases your brand equity and helps build your page tremendously. Now, one thing to take into account, this process is all part of the market research, what I've talked about in previous videos that I'm gonna link down below in the description. But this process, you just only do it once and you create a whole list of hashtags that you can utilize, and then from there you can just copy and paste. That means that you only work once and you profit or benefit from that result and that research from there on moving forward. I personally, for our own accounts and for clients' accounts that we run, we have 100, 200, even 300 hashtags that we have researched and documented and that we know that we can utilize and just simply copy and paste depending on what post it is. And here's one little extra hack for you when it comes to posting hashtags. I personally don't like to copy and paste because that is too much work. It's like 5 extra seconds that you need to go to your notes, copy and paste that batch of hashtags, and then go back to your Instagram page and post it there. I think that's a lot of work. So what I like to do is just use a keyword replacement or keyword shortcut. So I just go on my settings on my phone, put the hashtag in there and just put a little keyword that triggers the hashtag and just boom, text replaces it right away. That way, for example, let's say you have a fitness page. In my case, I just put Fit1. Then I know that Fit1 is the #1 set of hashtag batch for the fitness niche. Or you can have Fit1, Fit2, Fit3, and so on. That way, Fit1 is the set of hashtags that's the #1. #2 might be for weight loss. #3 might be for CrossFit, and so on and so forth. And you can create an endless amount of keyboard or keyword replacements on your phone that you can utilize. Type in, boom, and right away the hashtags are there. Because we're lazy and copy and pasting is too much work.
Yes.
Now the next question arises of where should you post the hashtags in the first place? Should I post it in the first comment or in the description of the photo? And again, here we have mixed opinions from all these beauty bloggers who think they're gurus saying that you cannot post hashtags in the first comment, which is not true. Again, we have accounts, students, and clients who post hashtags in the comments, all 30 of them, and are completely fine. And then we have some people who post them in the comments and have no results with them. So again, I would say for you, test it. Start posting in the first comment and start posting in the description and see how it performs for your specific case. But just make sure you do the market research before posting and you know what hashtags you're gonna utilize. Have the keyword replacement if you're a little bit lazy like me, or you can just copy and paste it. That way you always have the right hashtags for you. You have the stair, step, effect, and ladder with your hashtags and you're able to rank in them. And make sure you're utilizing content, industry, niche, and branded hashtags on your content. But do not, for the sake of the Instagram gods, use hashtags that have nothing to do with your posts.
If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help.
If you use the hashtag love and you don't have a love page, first of all, you're not gonna rank in the hashtag love because it has like billions of posts. And second, you're utilizing a hashtag that has nothing to do with what you're doing. So Instagram is not even gonna show you to people in the first place. It's gonna probably spank you in the butt for utilizing a hashtag that you shouldn't be using and for trying to trick them in the first place.
No, please, have mercy.
So utilize hashtags you can rank and just follow the process that we have outlined here in this video. If you want to find out a little bit more about how to do the market research right, how to do the hashtag research, how to create your content in a very specific way, what content to create, maybe you have a personal brand, maybe you have a theme page, an e-com store, maybe you are a little bit shy, don't want to be in front of the camera, and you want to be behind the scenes running a big Instagram account, we have a link in the description down below where we actually show you a complete free training. It's a 1 to 2 hour training where we actually take you step by step on all this stuff. And then at the end, we also show you how to monetize your own Instagram account, even with a small following. And then at the end, we actually give you the opportunity and offer for us to help serve you a little bit more hands-on when it comes to your Instagram marketing and your growth and monetization on it. So click the link down below in the description or go to igboss.com. Now, question for you, and here, if you answer, you're also gonna participate in a $100 giveaway. What is your niche on your Instagram page and how many hashtags have you been utilizing so far? I wanna know in the comment section below. And just by you commenting right there, you're also participating in a $100 giveaway that we're gonna announce in my Instagram stories. So make sure, if you wanna participate, make sure you comment. You gotta subscribe, obviously, and hit the like on this video. This has been Josue Pena with Online Sales, helping you grow and monetize your brand, business, and influence with social media and marketing. And do not forget, you can also check out our other videos right here. We actually show you step by step how to monetize your Instagram account, even if you are a complete beginner. So go check out this playlist right here or right here. Not sure which way I'm pointing. Go check it out, and we'll see you on the next one.